What you got there? We are having ourselves a blast outside. It's 6 male golden doodle puppies. They're about 11 weeks old, and we're gonna have an absolute blast. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Go get it. What's the commotion? What's the commotion? Come on, buddy. Let's figure it out. Come on. What's going on over here? Huh? What a tackle. You want a toy? There you go. We're having a tussle. A fine tussle indeed. You gonna take that from him? You guys good? No? Oh, what a tackle! Oh, what? You good? Oh. Guys, more beef? I thought we were all good. Oh! Oh, hi! Thanks for hanging out. WrestleMania! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! You guys are being naughty, huh? You're being a naughty doggy. And you're being a naughty doggy, aren't you? Aren't you? You're it. What are you doing? Are you so cute? You're so cute. What do you smell? What do you smell? Huh? What do you smell? Ooh, slam. Oh, hey guys, take it easy. Why are you guys so angsty? Your sisters are gone, huh? They can't control you guys. What you eating? Grass is gonna make your tummy upset. But a tummy rub's gonna make your tummy feel amazing, huh? Oh, tummy, 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 tummy. You enjoying yourself, buddy? Good, I'm glad. Alright everyone, well thank you so much for watching today's episode. We had an amazing day outside, running around, tackling each other, eating these plants we're not supposed to, but all around it was a great day. Once again, please subscribe to Life with Puppies, check out Life with Labradors and Life with Rescues, some of our other channels we have going on. And well, we're gonna say peace out.